Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I thought I would try out a challenge, a cooking battle against my wife.
He can only use a microwave.
Hope you enjoy.
Okay, I'll go first. Set oven to 375. In a mixing bowl, mix together half-pound meat, quarter teaspoon garlic, half teaspoon onion powder, third cup breadcrumb, quarter teaspoon parsley, 2 eggs, quarter teaspoon Italian season. Mix well. Form a ball like this. Put on baking sheet. Put in oven for about 12 minutes.
Alright. About a tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm gonna do 1 egg real quick. Two tablespoons of Italian seasoning. About 1 teaspoon of salt. Half a cup of breadcrumbs. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. 1 tablespoon of pepper. 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. 2 tablespoons of onion powder. 1 or 1/2 teaspoon of celery salt. And I'm gonna add some Dijon mustard to it. Alright, this is where I start making them into balls. Well, it's at the very end of it because I didn't think you'd want to see the whole thing. But, yeah, that's how I do my meatballs. Alright, I just wanted to show you how I was going to do this. I put a little bowl of water in the middle of there, and I'm going to go ahead and heat it for about 8 minutes. Hopefully that doesn't overcook it or nothing.
Okay, it's been 8 minutes. Time to flip them over. Okay, it's time to put another 8 minutes.
Alright, after 8 minutes, let's say 2:12, and alright, 2:13. Oh, yeah, 2:15. One's 2:08. They're a little, how do I say this, really overcooked? Oh boy. I can only imagine because of that, these are gonna taste pretty dry. I can't wait to see how they turn out.
This one's consistency is it's watery. It's liquidy. And it tastes like nothing. And I wouldn't put it with anything. I would probably just throw it away unless I was forced to eat it. Texture of this is very nice.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'd honestly give it like a 9 out of 10. Yeah, you can taste the spice in it. It's nice and savory. Has the juice in it. Textures are nice. The consistency is nice. Pair it with like spaghetti or like a meatball sub or something.
All right. So which one did you like better?
The one in my hand.
Look.
Adds flavor.
Look at it.
What is this one?
That's the one I did.
Well, looks like I'm on the lead in this one.
Not for long.
I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next
See you
one.
later. Bye.
Later.